Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this really cute Valentine's Day nail set using my extra long tips. If you want to see how I did these nails, then please keep on watching. So hey guys, so this is how I'm starting off the video. There's gonna be like a white line on those tips because I kind of pinched them with my fingers. I wanted to see if that would work, and it did. It worked pretty well. So if you don't have nail tips that have like a strong C-curve, you can just pinch them yourself. So today I'm going to be using Polygel from Yayoge. Yayoge is like a really cheap, affordable brand for Polygel, and they do ship to US and UK. I don't know if they ship elsewhere, but that's all I've seen on their website. And I'm going in with this Polygel. This is a red glittery polygel. It's just like a fine glitter, and my room was kind of cold, so you're gonna see me struggle to kind of push around this polygel today, but it wasn't too bad. I did put my heating on and it started to soften up a bit, so that was good. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm basically gonna try to fade that down. And this worked really well, except that I wish I had done this color last. So you'll see in a minute what I mean. As you can see, it faded really nicely. And the slip solution I'm using is also from Yayoge, and so is the brush. It's just from their glitter polygel kit, which I will link down below. Now I'm using this really pretty jelly pink shade with glitters in it. It's glitter number 8. And it's got like this blue, green and silver glitters in it, and it's just so nice. Like, it's really nice and jelly, and I really like it. Now you're gonna see me trying to like mold this and try get it nice and smooth, but it didn't really transition into the red how I wanted it to. So I'm actually going to try and do this differently when I repeat it on a different finger. So now I'm taking these really cute like 3D heart charms that I got from Primark. If you're from the UK, you know what Primark is. It's basically like a really cheap clothing store. They sell lots of different kinds of items, including some nail art goodies as well. So that's where that's from. I will try to find something similar for people who are not from the UK. I think AliExpress does some as well. So next, for this index finger, I'm using the red polygel, and this was a color changing polygel, which was really cool. I've used this type of polygel before, but I just feel like it worked really well with this polygel. I don't know why. And it was really easy to apply these colored ones more than the glitter ones as well. So this is really good. I think there's like 8 or 6 different colored polygels in the kit, with slip solution, dual forms, a brush, a file, and what else? I think that's it. But I will link both of these kits down below. They're 2 separate kits. You can also buy the polygels individually. So that red shade was called just red, and this one is called rose. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to basically create a 3D heart. Now I didn't have enough like Valentine's Day related nail art supplies with me, so I kind of tried to create something, and I really liked how this turned out, and you'll see in the end why. And I'm just basically creating the heart. I'm working kind of dry to push that polygel around because it was kind of hard, because again the room was cold. And going in again with that rose shade on my middle finger, I'm basically just going to apply this all over the nail. Try to apply these color changing polygels quite thin, because then they're more sensitive that way, if you know what I mean. Like, they will instantly change compared to taking a bit longer, which is much better in my opinion. And don't worry about it looking sheer, because these polygels are really pigmented, so it won't look patchy and in some areas. And if it does, it means it's probably too thin and you probably need to add more polygel, which you can absolutely do. Now I'm just taking the top coat because I wanted to put on some of these cute heart glitters I have from AliExpress. I think they're from Full Beauty. I'm not too sure. I will link everything down below. And my wax pencil, I love my wax pencil. If you don't have a wax pencil, you have to get one. They are literally game changers, and they save so much time compared to like tweezers or your fingers, and it's just a mess. So I've put that in the lamp, and as you could see there, it did start to change color as well. So next I'm going in with that pink number 8 shade Polygel from Yayoge, and I am going to apply this all over the nail. And I really liked this Polygel. I think it was like my favorite out of everything. It's just so, it looked much more sparkly in real life. So yeah, definitely do think about getting this kit. They do come with really amazing colors. I did do an unboxing and swatch video of these kits, I believe. I will try to link that down below if I have. I believe I have done so. So that's all I'm doing, and I've been using Yayoge products for a couple months now, and I think it's fair to say that they are quite good. Like, they're really cheap, but the quality is still there. Like, don't think just because it's, you know, product is cheap, it's not going to work out. What you need with everything really is just going to be some patience and some practice, and it will look good in the end. If you can, you know, if you can learn to work with products, then I'm sure you can create amazing results. So don't worry about trying to invest in some really expensive products to get amazing results. That's really not the case. So here I'm going to be doing that ombre that I did on the thumb, but this time I did it reversed. So I did the light shade first and then the red, and as you'll see, it will actually ombre much better now. So as you can see, as I'm pulling it down, it looks more transitioned in a way. So that's pretty much it for that. And then I'm just going to top coat everything using the top coat that comes with the kit. The kit also comes with a cuticle pusher, a base coat as well, the gel brush, of course, which has the spatula on one end, the polygels. It came with one of the kits came with a little light, but I just used my full size LED light because it just fits my whole hand in there easier. But you could totally use that lamp as well. And here I am just top coating around the stones. And I did 2 layers of top coat on this nail for the heart glitters, and then I top coated all of this as well. Now I'm going to go in with a shade called Cherry Pop from Glitterbels. It's their gel polish, and I'm going to go in with the striping brush to create a heart design all over the nails. At first I thought I'd do it just on the free edge of where my natural nail ends, but then it looked a bit weird. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it all over the nail. And I did, and I was really happy with how this looked. I'm just gonna show you one here because it took me way too long to do all of them and try to film it on camera. But yeah, this brush is really good. It's their striping brush, and it's really good. Glitterbels has some really good quality pigmented products, so do check them out. Again, I will link that down below. And I'm just finishing that off down the side. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please drop a like and a comment and let me know which finger is your favorite. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it really means the world to me, and I'm really close to 5k, so thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support. It really does mean a lot to me, so thank you so much again for that. And I also want to know down below, let me know what you're going to be up to during Valentine's. I think that will be really interesting to know what people are going to do this year of Valentine's. So please do let me know if you want to. And now I'm just finishing off with cuticle oil, and that's pretty much it for this nail look. Now I'm going to show you guys these nails in hot and cold water because I want to show you guys how sensitive this polygel is. It really is good. I really do enjoy these nails. So here I am. I'm gonna go in with some hot water first. This was kind of hot, but I kept my fingers in there just to show you guys. But as you can see, that big heart just looks so cool. I don't know if you guys think the same, but I really enjoyed it. And this is in cold water. And that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.